in the context of a progression of the career, once you get into a BA, assuming that you have just started your IT career, you could potentially be a programmer / programmer analyst, as what nowadays most of the roles are defined as, or designation as, programmer analyst. Previously, we used to call them as software engineers, but nowadays they're just calling them as programmer analysts. And if you're interested in the analyst, the BA side of things, you can then become the systems analyst or IT analyst, or the junior business analyst, and then slowly the business analyst after a few years, and then finally senior business analyst for about 15 years of experience. And then around 20 years, I mean, I have actually been doing roles that are more of like lead business analyst, where you need to actually mentor teams, you need to set the processes, you need to define the various kind of procedures and the rules and documentation involved with the business analysis, and mentor the teams and train them and give a lot of different directions for the organization as a whole. So that's where you see yourself as a lead PA, around about 15 to 20 years of experience. I've got about 2 decades of experience now. So yeah, so of the senior business analyst, you can be a lead BA, but it's not just stopping there, because from there on, either you can go into or at any point of time, even after about 5 years of experience, if you're interested in, let's say, project management or program management, you can actually kind of branch into that. So you've got another branch going out from there. You can just be a business analyst with 5 to 8 years of experience, and then you say, hey, you know what? I'm really good with projects. I'm good with project management, planning, and working with people, resources. Then you can tend to have a tangential pathway leading from there into the project management, project lead, project management, program manager, and so on and so forth. And then there could be an alternative path leading you to, for example, if you want to be focusing only on the solutions or a specific platform, for example, you want to be a SAP business analyst or SAP functional consultant, as what we call. So you can be focused on that. Or you can also become a product manager, for instance. You can actually try and pitch yourself into product management. From there, for example, agile product owner is a very popular role nowadays. So you can become a product owner in the context of agile. From the product owner, you can actually become the product manager, product director. And so you actually go into that direction. And there are other directions as well from the business analyst. So you can actually become a salesperson. You can, if you're interested, you can get into the pre-sales solution architecting phase to start with. And then slowly you actually, from a pre-sales consultant, you can get into the sales consultant, sales, and then you actually have the CEO. So there are multiple options, multiple avenues that you have opened up potentially from being a business analyst.